Welcome back, YouTubers. We are gonna do some Kicad today. I'm gonna deal with vias and via size and modify a footprint and add a vias to it. So let's start. So I have created this project, and on this project, we um, so let's see. So see it's schematic. I put the schematic here. So this is what it looks like. So I have this IC 89 and I put some connections there. We're going to generate the netlist, save it, then go to the PCB. PCB right here, and this is what I got. Okay, so I have several things going on here. Okay, first of all, this part didn't have VS in the middle, that I add those. And then over here I have a sample of different predefined vias, different sizes. So you can go here, define the size, and then see I got 24, 40, 48, 80. And so when I want to grab it, I select here, via, and then click here, you drop, right? Then you want the next size, 40, 20. You want 48, and you want 80. That's how it looks like. There you go. So that was one, right? The other thing is, so the IC. So let's add a part here. Let me show you the original. Doing something, it's going. All right. What's the other thing? Yes, so this other one over here is a custom via. I gotta show you that how I did it. So basically, I look at the mounting holes. They had the mounting holes with vias, and that's where I got the idea of making that part with vias in the middle. And so let me show you. So I have a library here, EE. Okay, so I make this library, and so first of all, let me show you this. I want to show you That's the one I modify. Sysmac, where you go here. So where you go here, not that one. I think this is the one. So okay, I know it looks like that. No, L, what is that? LT86. Where do you go? Says okay, I cannot find it. Anyway, so um, basically, I got the idea from custom vias where you go here. Okay, so this is where I got the idea from. Okay, so this, so so you highlight, go edit footprint, right? So I looked at it, right? I looked at it, and basically what it is see, selecting two. So it's another path underneath. See, if you click E for more information, that's the size, and that's the whole size, and this is the path size, right? So that's where I got the idea from. So um, so um, so what I did was, because this path was 11, I made 11 there in the path. So okay, that's path 11, number 11. So I matched this to 11. So we go edit. There you go. See? I see, or I see this from copper, all copper layer, right? E. So what I did, I made it size 12, 24, and 1224. Okay, and now it looks like that. Okay, so so uh, basically it looks like this is the other video, right? Now I drop, but so that's my custom via E, right? So edit footprint. So how does that look? E. So 11.524, right? It's about 3.3 mils, 0.3 millimeters, or 11.82 mils, right? So I select that. I took it out, everything here. Put solid. Say OK. And then I save it in my library. I made I call my custom vias. So I put it in here because I didn't want to mix with anything else. So this is the other one. And this is the other one I made. So now it looks like that. So okay. So I think it's not updated because look, this one says 11.82, right? But the one I have over here, oh, when I one I have over here, it's saying 12, right? Okay, so let's load let's load this net, and now it should show the other one. No, 12, 24. Okay. So it doesn't have the square. So maybe we can go to schematic. E. What is this pointing to? Okay, that's pointing to the right one. Okay. Let's say okay. Right in that place. Save. Go back here. Yes. Okay. I don't think I did it. Let's delete it altogether. And let's do it one more time. Okay, now I think it's the right one. And let's drop it in there. See, I have the circle here. That's the one that's modified. Let's move this label away. M to move. Okay. Alright, so now let's go here. Let's look at it. It should say 11. Yeah, this is the current one. Okay, so now let's plot the planes, right? So that's not where I want to be. B, Control B. So let me take my okay, somewhere in the middle, right? Then we plot it. Okay, so the other thing I have here, it's I have two planes. You can see here V in. So let me show you something. Let's Control V. Let's take this V out and do V, float it. Okay, Control V. Okay, let's take this out, this out. So when you do the floating, you see nothing happens. It's not floating this one, right? And say why is not floating? I needed a so I needed a via or if I float it now, see it takes it. It needs a little bit of copper to touch that plane, and then it did it. Control V. Oh, that's too big. Escape. Let's put this one in. Let's see, 1, 2 here. And see, this via is not assigned to a net. Doesn't have a net, so you gotta pick the net. But then I say, how come if the plane is already has been in, right? So let's delete that. And then let's do B. And now drop the via. And now it takes the name. Otherwise, you have to do one by one, right? Now the other thing is here. I want to make create an array. Horizontal, vertical. Let's say I want to do 1 here. There we go. And then this one. 1, let's make it 5. There you go. Extend the plane here. Take it there. All right. Here we go. Now the bottom. Let's do a copper plane on the bottom. Tie it to ground. Here to here. Close that. Right. And then oh, I already have one. So I had my layer was disabled. I couldn't see it. So let me delete one of them. So okay, so that's the top and that's the bottom, right? So there we go. Now Let's look in the 3D. Oh, it looks like, there you go. That's where I want it. View. Here, this one. You put that in, and you got the masking, right? Let's see, without the masking. Take the masking off. It's the copper right there. Boom, boom. There's no plane on the top. We didn't put copper plane on the top. So let's do that. Copper plane. Right. Ground. Let's put ground on top. Let's put the whole thing, right? Okay. Okay, now how does that look? Let's go here, 3D viewer. I see we have the ground coming through here. Then we have this other piece here. Look at the back. Let's look back. There you go, see? Okay, so that's all I have for now. Thank you. Subscribe, give it a comment.